Hey everybody, this is Joe Murphy with Allegheny Immigration Group. I'm doing this video as a follow-on to my live I did in the car on the way home from work today. Today's March 5th, 2020. We're in the third month of the Liberian Green Card Program. There are 290 days left to file for your Liberian Green Card. Time is running out quickly. More importantly, our special price on the Liberian Green Card Program is running out. There's 25 days left in our special, and that special is $3,000 for legal representation, preparation, and filing of your Liberian Green Card application and your work permit based on Liberian Green Card. It's $3,000 out the door. It includes the filing fees. It's a great deal. I created this special as something of a loss leader to incentivize early sign up, but it's a loss to me. I can't continue doing this. I'm losing money on it. If you don't have the whole $3,000, you can start with as little as $1,000. If you pay us $1,000 toward the Liberian Green Card Program special before March 30th, 2020, we'll honor the $3,000 price, even if you have to pay off the rest after March 30th. The only thing that's not included in our special price is the medical exam. I'm a lawyer, not a doctor. I can't give you a medical exam. You're going to have a medical exam from a USCIS approved doctor. I've been hearing from a lot of people that they tried to get their green card based on marriage and that they had a bad marriage interview and they're scared that that bad marriage interview will be counted against them when applying for a Liberian green card. It won't. The Liberian green card is a completely separate program from the green card through marriage program. Just because you didn't qualify under the green card through marriage program doesn't mean you won't qualify under the Liberian green card program. The requirements to get a Liberian green card are that you are a Liberian, that you've been physically present in the United States since November 20th, 2014, that you have no more than 180 days outside the United States since November 20th, 2014, and that you have no major crimes. Simple DUIs and stuff like that are okay. Multiple DUIs or more serious crimes can prevent you from qualifying for the Liberian green card. Another group of people that are scared to apply for the Liberian green card are people that have been ordered, deported, or took voluntary departure and didn't leave. The Act provides a specific exemption for you guys. You're allowed to apply for the Liberian green card even after you've been ordered, deported, or taken voluntary departure and didn't leave. In fact, even if you're in the middle of an asylum case, you can file for the Liberian green card right in the middle of an asylum case, and the Act provides that you can do that without filing a separate motion to open the proceedings. This is Joe Murphy from Allegheny Immigration Group. My cell, text, and WhatsApp are all the same number, 412-973-3442. You can also call my office. That number is 412-521-2000. Our website is AlleghenyImmigration.com. That's all one word. I'll put the web address on the screen. I visit Brooklyn Park every other weekend, and I will continue doing so throughout the entire Liberian Green Card Program. And I do that to meet with clients. Last week I dropped off an application. I met with some new clients. A couple of people just asked a question. The consultations in Brooklyn Park are absolutely free. There's no obligation. If you just want to talk to me, see if you qualify for the program, you can do that. If you want to sign up, you can do that too. But I'm here for you as a resource, and I will be throughout the entire Liberian Green Card Program. My name is Joe Murphy. I'm a lawyer with Allegheny Immigration Group. My cell, text, and WhatsApp are all the same number, 412-973-3442. And don't hesitate to call me. People call me all the time, and you can too. I want to be available for you and as a resource to support you through the Liberian Green Card Program. Some people even wonder, or maybe they're a little bit nervous about, well, what would it be like if I signed up? What would I have to do? Well, we'd need to have evidence to prove the requirements of the program. We'd have to have evidence to prove that you are Liberian, that you entered before November 20th, 2014, and you have no more than 180 days outside the country since November 20th, 2014. Conveniently, for those of you who entered with a passport, that passport will prove all three of those things. The passport proves you're Liberian. Liberia doesn't issue passports to people who aren't Liberians. The passport will have an entry stamp on it, which will show the date of your entry, and if that date is before November 20th, 2014, that second prong of the test is handled by that. The passport will also show any place else you've been and that you haven't left the United States since your entry. You don't have to prove that you haven't done any crimes. The government will take your fingerprints as part of the process and check to see if you have. So you don't have to submit proof on the crimes issue. If you don't have a passport, there are other ways we can prove when you entered and how long you've been here. In one case, the man had been working for the same employer the whole time he'd been in here, and that employer listed right on each pay stub, employee since, and a date in 2013. So we're pretty smart, and we can help you figure out ways to prove your entry date and continuous presence, even if you entered without a pass. We're running a special through March 30th, 2020. That's $3,000 on the Liberian Green Card Program. That includes preparation and filing of your application for Liberian Green Card, preparation and filing of an application for work permit based on Liberian Green Card, us filing our appearances as your attorneys, and it includes all filing fees. So it's a great deal. You got to sign up on this before the time runs out. And that special ends on March 30th, 2020. After that, it's just going to be $3,000 plus filing fees. So you can save yourself $1,200 by signing up before the special ends. I could take as little as $1,000 down. If you pay the $1,000 down and sign a contract for Liberian Green Card representation with our firm before March 30th, 2020, you can lock in that $3,000 price. The nice thing about signing up for a Liberian Green Card is that a lot of the stuff that other green card applicants have to do, you don't have to. You don't have to prove that you're married. You don't have to prove that the marriage is bona fide. You don't have to prove that your spouse makes enough money, because all those things are waived. You don't have to prove that you entered the United States legally. You could have been a border jumper or a stowaway. That's forgiven in the Liberian Green Card Program. This is a really great program, and I do hope that everybody who can take advantage of it does take advantage of it. But don't worry about a bad marriage interview or an asylum case. Those things are exempted in the Act as well. We're here to help you with these things, and they're not as hard as it might seem. We can make it easy on you. My name's Joe Murphy. I'm a lawyer with Allegheny Immigration Group. My cell, text, and WhatsApp are all the same number, 412-973-3442. My office number is 412-521-2000, and I encourage you all to look at the Allegheny Immigration Group YouTube channel and Facebook page. I'll be making and posting videos like this throughout the Liberian Green Card Program to inform you about the program, about deadlines and changes in the program, about updates. And as my clients go through the process, I will keep you updated on how long things take and any bumps we run into along the way so that maybe you can avoid them. Again, this is Joe Murphy with Allegheny Immigration Group. Today is March 5th, 2020. We're in the third month of the Liberian Green Card Program. 3 months are already gone. There are 290 days left in the program. Our special ends in 25 days. On March 30th, the price of Liberian Green Card representation through my firm is going to go up $1,225. We're not going to be including the filing fee in our special after that time. So I encourage you to sign up. We'll make it easy on you. If you want to meet me in person, I'm in Brooklyn Park every other weekend. I stop in, I drop off green cards, I pick up new applications, I help people fill out applications, and I take immigration questions about other things like asylum or family-based immigration. I'm there to be a resource to you, and I want to support you all through this program. This is Joe Murphy. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time I'm in Brooklyn Park.